Hello and welcome. Welcome to my new video and a new watch review. In my hands I have the newest addition to Casio lineup, Casio WS-1800. WS series watches have been quite a fun watch lineup lately. My personal favorite is WS-1600. But let's take a look at this one, the WS-1800. Let me start with module or what this watch offers when it comes to functions and features. Module number is 3583 and you can find a tutorial video on how to set your watch on my YouTube channel. Now, speaking of what this watch offers, you get pretty much standard Casio features like alarm, stopwatch, world time countdown timer, and one extra feature which is preset timer mode. Stopwatch and countdown timers really put these geeky digital sub-dials to work. Of course, they have their purpose in standard timekeeping mode. In standard timekeeping mode, upper one counts seconds and a lower one counts every 10 seconds. When you activate the stopwatch, they are much more lively and interesting to look at. They remind me of those first digital car rev counters and speedos, pixelated, and from today's perspective, very cool to look at. I always liked these geeky digital watches. Maybe that is a millennial kid talking, but that's just how I see these watches from Casio WS line. When it comes to design of the watch, it may seem familiar to you because it's actually the same case as the one on the Casio AE-1000. If you take a closer look, you will see it has the same buttons when it comes to function, position and style. Outer bezel is also the same one as on the AE-1000. AE-1000 has world time and illuminator on the bezel, whereas WS-1800 has illuminator and 10-year battery written on it. Those are the only differences. One thing that will stand out is definitely dome crystal made from resin. This can be troublesome when it comes to readability of the watch. To get a better perspective on the spherical glass and watch dimensions, here is the watch with its dimensions on my 7-inch wrist. For now, you can choose between 3 colors: black, green and the blue one, which is in my hands today. Band is resin and something we are used to seeing from Casio. Few key bullet points I would like to stand out are 10-year battery, 100-meter water resistance, and the price which is around $60 US. For that price point, you can't expect great watch illumination, and that is the case here. Amber LED. But believe me, I have seen worse on these Casios. And to recap this review, I'm so glad these watches exist nowadays. To see this retro digital technology being used in a brand new watch, which costs around $60 US, is a great thing for us watch lovers and Casio enthusiasts. I hope we continue to see them more. As I mentioned earlier, you can check out my channel for tutorial video on how to set this watch up. And that would be it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.